So I just wanted to show you here. A lot of people have a lot of problems with trying to figure out, you know, what the deal is with linking yourself to your accounts. So here you go. You've got my Mobcrush, and right here I've linked all of my accounts. All you have to do is go into Mobcrush, have your account, go into your social accounts, and select through and link them, and then authorize everything through. But Discord is also a very confusing process. So when you log into your Discord account, and here, you basically go to your account, you look at it, make sure you're logged in, everything's good. Go down to your connections, check it. All of these are where you click on them based on what you have that you want to stream to, and you go into them and you basically click on it and authorize that program. Like if I wanted to authorize Twitch, I'd click Twitch. I would then, it already authorized. So I mean, that was it. As long as your information's in there, your password, your account name, it'll authorize it immediately. You always want to click this on to make sure it's on, all of them, to display. And that's pretty easy. But you also want to make sure one special thing, streamer mode. Make sure this is turned off. You don't want it on because you're not running the key binding settings. You're not running the streaming through, like Discord's going to be linked to your Twitch and everything else, so it's already broadcasting through there. You don't need to turn this on. This would just create a bunch of lag and a bunch of issues. And as you can tell, I'm trying my new C922 Pro webcam with you know, the key logging thing or chroma logging thing. It's just not all that great. I got to buy myself a green screen to go behind me so that it looks better. I look rough because I've been like on for way too long. I haven't been sleeping. I've been doing nothing but creating videos and no sleep, lots of coffee, and I don't know what to tell you. I'm like, I can barely think straight, and you could tell I look really tired, really tired. So now you have it. Quite the simple little process. It's all a matter of clicking on the right link, making sure you're logged in and you have your password. Make sure you click the right here, connections. Click on any of these icons that lead to any of the accounts that you have, and away you go. So I hope this was helpful to a degree. I mean, I'm still working with Mobcrush as well to broadcast across all of these platforms. And just if you're wondering, YouTube, my account name is Stream Troopers. Twitch, account name is Mike Ingman. Please hit a follow. I team up with people who follow, because then that way I know that they like me and want to play with me. They follow me. I team with them. Otherwise, I don't. And it's about it. I mean, I hope you smash that subscribe button, like it, share it, whatever you like to do, or not. I mean, it's totally up to you. But thank you for checking out the video, and help a new channel out by getting me some subscribers. I'm desperately trying. I've been doing this for half a year now, and you know, with 180 videos out, and I do a lot of walkthroughs for Star Wars: The Old Republic, Dota 2, and Fortnite, which I've been doing for a couple months now, and a few walkthroughs and places to find things on Fortnite. So if you can, I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park.